Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You just need to check my video description for the site link. Just scroll down and go to files. As you can see, depends on your need, you can download the mod. I'm going with the max item, the first one, 999. Select the manual download option. Select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to the site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into the site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. And then it will download done. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open this folder. On right side, you just need to navigate to the games folder, guys. In my case, I saved in C drive. Here it is. Just drag and drop this as HighJump folder to the game folder and it will be replaced. Then just close up here and launch the game. And now you can enjoy the mod, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.